Meaning of Czech. Czech. Czech.
Czech. Czech. Czech refers to anything or anyone from the Czech Republic, a country in Central Europe. The Czech Republic borders Poland to the northeast, Germany to the west and northwest, Austria to the south and Slovakia to the east. The country covers an area of 78,866 square kilometers and has a population of over 10 million people. Czech is also the official language of the Czech Republic, a Slavic language closely related to Slovak and Polish. The culture of the Czech Republic is rich in history, literature, music, art, and cuisine, making it a popular tourist destination.